Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we didn't talk about it this week, but we did have the Google Chrome update this week. If you are a Chrome user, make sure that you have been updated. Normally it's done automatically, but it's, checking, especially this week, 11 security flaws are fixed, and many of them are high severity. And there's even one that I'm almost wondering if they're not telling us, but that it could be a 0-day. But anyways, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help about Google Chrome, and you should be at version 145.0.7632.45 or 46, depending on the version of the operating system you're using. So like I said, 11 security flaws are fixed this week, and that's a pretty big week. It hasn't been there hasn't been a lot of security fixes in the last few releases in the past weeks. So this week is a more hefty update. So check it out. Make sure that you stay safe by applying these updates, as this is the best way to stay safe, is really to make sure that you have all of those security flaws that have been closed. So technically, this happened late on Tuesday, February the 10th, and you should have that updated automatically by now. But, there's no hurt in checking out to make sure. And of course, the Chromium browsers will soon be updated. So Microsoft Edge, for example, I'm just going to check it out here quickly if it's already there, but Microsoft Edge, not yet. So Microsoft Edge should be updated, and that's coming up. It is to note that also that version of Chrome has moved to 145, so there probably are a few things that have been changed on this new version 145 of Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.